Good morning everyone, it's the 16th of August 2026. Today is a bit of a red letter day. This channel, as you saw in the title, has got to 20 million views. Mind you, it has taken 8 years and some people get that per video. Well, never mind, it doesn't really matter. But thank you one and all for supporting us and supporting me. And yeah, it's really nice. I didn't think we'd get this far, but again, we've been plodding on for about 8 years and a lot of you have been sticking around for an awful long time, so I want to thank each and every one of you for putting up with me and my antics. Yeah, it really means a lot. For those of you who don't know, I started this channel purely by accident. I had no intentions of doing a YouTube channel, should I say. The reason was, if some of you can remember that far back, I bought a 110 2.5 naturally aspirated diesel from a chap in Ottawa who bought it from the army in Suffield, Alberta. It was a bit of a step, but it was going to be a good project because at the time I was scrapping a V8, which is a good engine, that's rare, and a good gearbox, and my intentions was to rebuild it as a V8, you know, with the Bosch V8, the later engine, and do a nice little project. So what I thought I'll do is, oh, for the customer who's going to eventually end up with this truck, I'll do a video of it. That's a good idea, and I'll do a little video diary. Well, 8 years ago, you know, you could put things on DVDs or memory sticks if you could afford them. And but both have the downfalls, and DVDs and CDs, as you know, scratch as soon as you look at them. And memory sticks, well, they get lost down the back of the sofa and things like that. So I was plodding along and thinking, what the hell can I do? Do I put it on an external hard drive? Well, I could do. And then I had this bright idea. I know, I'll upload it to YouTube. There, that's smart, because they can look after it, you see. Little did I know that as soon as you hit the button to load up, it instantly posts as soon as it's loaded. I didn't know that. I had no idea. And then people were writing to me in the comments and things like this, and I thought, this is supposed to be a private video. How the hell did they can see that? I didn't do anything. So eventually I worked out that you can set the defaults on YouTube, and I set it to unpublish. And then, you know, like I say, the ball started rolling and people started asking me questions. So I thought, oh, okay, well, I'll do something else, what people want to know. They wanted to know about swivel balls and things like this. So I thought, well, that's it. So that's how it actually started, and I only started with my telephone. I got through about, whoa, how many cameras have I got through in 8 years? Must be 7 or 8. Anyway, once again, thank you very much for viewing. Will we see you in 40 million views? I don't know, I don't think so. But it's been an interesting journey. See you.